Family is important, even the family who has come before us, our ancestors. My ancestors are your ancestors too. They loved, lived, worked hard, moved to find work and food, prospered and fell on hard times. They were pilgrims and pioneers. In 2002, my daughter Cheyenne and I went on a trip to Toronto, Canada with Aunt Beth, who was on a journey to find some of her ancestors. I found it so interesting that I began the journey of adding to our own family tree. My mother's family had been in the United States for hundreds of years, so I thought that is where my search should begin. My grandmother's family came from Ohio. My grandfather's mother came from Grand Blanc, Michigan, her family from New York. My aunt even has their old family Bible. My mom was interested in her family history and loved to show old family photographs. I have since found more photos through distant cousins and on the internet. I have discovered ancestors who arrived on the Mayflower that were governors of colonies and the first American poetess. But I have barely just begun. The journey has taken me to cemeteries in Michigan and Ohio, genealogy history centers in Petoskey and Ohio, county clerk's offices in Charlevoix and Emmett counties, libraries in Boyne City, Flint, and Petoskey, and even a derelict log cabin. But all of these places contain bits and pieces of my family history. Though my mother is not here to see what I have discovered, she would be pleased. Because I have just barely begun, my journey that started with my ancestors continues on in you.